Okay, everyone, today we're talking about synthetic division. Is synthetic division is a shortcut alternative to long division. We talked about long division earlier. Synthetic division, we already know what the name synthetic basically means. It's man-made, all right? Or some people in class used to always say it was fake, but it's man-made or it's not real or authentic. Okay, but synthetic division is a shortcut alternative to long division. Now, before, when we had long division, I'll give an example. We would have 3x squared plus 5x plus 7. And just say we said divided by x minus 2. We went through all of our long division motions. Now, we write this same problem when we have x minus 2. Since it's minus 2, we put a positive 2 out here. Okay? And our coefficients, which are 3, 5, and 7, we write as 3, 5, and 7. Okay? We're not going to go through all of the motions through long division. Now, this is the first thing we need to do. I'm going to use a different color, so hopefully it'll stand out. We bring this 3 down. Bring this 3 down. And now, we multiply and add. Multiply and add. 2 times 3 is 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Repeat it. 2 times 11 is 22. 7 plus 22 is 29. That's the end. Now, we started with 3x squared and it was divided by x. So this is what we use. 3x plus 11 and our remainder is 29. That's the problem. It's a lot shorter. It's a lot shorter alternative to long division, which is what we said. If we solve this problem, we will get the exact same answer. Later on, I'm going to show you a way to find the remainder as well. Okay. Now let's look at another example. Okay. Let's say we have 5x squared plus 4x minus 6 divided by x plus 1. Divided by x plus 1. So now, since we're dividing this by x plus 1, we need to bring out a negative 1. Okay? Our coefficients, 5, 4, and negative 6. That's an arrow. 5, 4, and negative 6. We drop the 5. Now we repeat it. Remember, multiply, add. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. 4 and negative 5 gives us a negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 gives us a positive 1. And negative 6 plus 1 gives us a negative 5. That's the answer. Once we go through it, we say that was 5x squared divided by x. So we have 5x minus 1, and our remainder is negative 5. Right. So that's how we do it. Let me see if I can do one on this other side and save some space. Let's say 4x cubed plus 2x minus 7 divided by x minus 3. 4x cubed, plus 2x minus 7 divided by x minus 3. Okay, we said this earlier. Since this is minus 3, we need to bring out a positive 3. Now, we list the coefficients. 4. Now, this is a key step right here. You are missing an x squared term. Okay, but you need to put in a 0 as a placeholder. The 0 is going to represent the x squared term. So that is 4, 0, 2, and negative 7. 4, 0x squared, 2, and negative 7. Bring the 4 down. And once again, multiply and add. 3 times 4 is 12. 0 plus 12 is 12. 3 times 12, 36. 2 plus 36, 38. 3 times 38, that would be what, 114? Okay, and negative 7 plus 114 is 107. Alright, so this time we started with 4x cubed, alright, divided by x. So here is going to be 4x squared plus 12x plus 38 with a remainder of 107. Okay, that's synthetic division.